Welcome to today's video. My name is David Garibaldi, and before we get into this full-length halftime performance for the Phoenix Suns, I just want to welcome you. If you're enjoying content like this, I just ask you consider subscribing, liking, or just leaving a comment down below. And also, if you're interested in booking information or even just coming to a live event, there's a link down below for that as well. And those of you artists who want to go and grow further, I have a weekly newsletter called the Art Supply Members Club, and I just send out weekly tips to help you grow your art brand. All right, let's get into this video. And one last thing, there is a behind the scenes version of everything that you're seeing here. So that's on my channel if you want to see what happens behind the scenes in the making of a halftime painting performance. Go check that out. All right, let's get into today's halftime performance for the Phoenix Suns. Let's go! Phoenix, I need to know, are you ready?
Like, should we go apply for jobs and go get links around these shoulders? Still a team, but I was blown, I learned my lessons. Mom and pop tried their best, but I was living young and reckless. Could've made it out of sports, but in them streets was too invested. Took that step for me to get it, and that changed my life forever. It's like I felt I needed a little bit of magic, a little bit of smoke up in these lungs. Running from the devil with my guitar. Angel on my shoulder got me this far. Had to make it happen. Go and touch the sky or die too young. But I don't take the credit for the good part. Blame it on my mama cause she prayed hard. Crazy things change, but it's starting to feel the same. The only difference is the money and this unwanted fame. My family looking good, got most of my people out the hood. And plus my kids is more than good, so I really can't complain. We can't go back in them stores and buy the stuff we couldn't afford. Cause now I'm headlining these doors, it's like this music was for. I get paid to tell my story, cause my fans truly adore it. I like this lane, I think it's for me, I just know my mama praying for it. A little bit of magic, a little bit of smoke up in these lungs. Running from the devil with my guitar. Angel on my shoulder got me this far. Had to make it happen. Go and touch the sky or die too young. But I don't take the credit for the good part. Blame it on my mama cause she prayed hard.
Sees Brooke on the stage, but he is in his bag. Crossing up his corner, teammate step back three. In your eye hole. Fires.
I'm gonna shoot you right now. Bang, 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 bang. Knock you off of your feet.
Students, turn all your cell phone lights on right now from the bottom to the top, all the way around. I want to show the world how bright the valley can be. But when I asked them how loud you were tonight,